Me hell we outside ngempela bafowethu kuyomekweqe ngicela uyivale lapho. Lela futhi bafowethu kuyimini yesonto nje ekseni. Namhlanje sinyathela amadimoni. Bekuthe befundisi bami, bathandazi bami, zinyanga zami.
Hey guys, it's your boy Twadi. Welcome to another one, man. So man, I've been meaning to make this video, bro. I don't know if I've just been lazy or the video hasn't really been coming together, mate. It just didn't happen, okay? So now it's time for that video, guys. People ask me, bro, what kind of fashion is this? I'm like, bro, yo, man, so, bro, this is your Mekwete, man. You feel me? This is the hottest fashion in South Africa right now, bro. If you know like this kind of also cars from like Facebook or TikTok, then you know what it is, man. Me, how? You feel me? Shout out to your Mekwete, shout out to Hip Hop Cargo, man. Shout out to the Mehao brothers, man. Skilly Dick brothers, man. You feel me? The official twins, bro. So guys, this is the new fashion, man. You feel me? This is the new Hip Hop Cargo, bro. This shit is cheap, man. Goes for about 30,000 yana. You feel me? Yana. You feel me? We got shoes, bro. Like these guys have everything, man. So if you get the time, bro, just pop out Dakoma Boning and check bros out, man. You feel me? Go and check the powerhouse of fashion. It's like the power street of fashion. Cause yeah, man, you feel me? People are asking me, what's up, man? How do you like this kind of fashion? I'm like, bro, like this is my type of shit. You feel me? They say, no, this is not American. Also, is not gonna get a lot of support and traction. But already, bro, is getting a lot of support, man. You feel me? Yeah, man, let's support local shit. Feel me? This is unique, bro. Like this is fashion on another level, bro. You feel me? Look at that shit, bro. Bro has a literal globe. Like there's a bulb here, man. You can turn on the electricity. You can play the radio. You can operate your computer on your t-shirt, dog. Who doesn't want to do that? Doesn't want to do that, man. Like this is the powerhouse of fashion, man. Shout out to your Mekwete, bro. Like this is a shout out video, Grand Sharp. Yeah, this is not maybe I'm trying to make fun of these guys. Nah, bro. Like I support these niggas hustle, man. You feel me? This is unique. Something you feel me? People are like, nah, bro, like this shit should be from like America or something. Yeah, that's when like celebrities would actually go and support him. I'm like, nah, bro, just give this guy 2 years. Yeah, from Daozozo. Yeah, South African Amapiano Awards. Yeah, somebody there will be saying, hey, hi, Lizzo, what are you wearing? He'll be like, nah, I'm wearing your Mekwete here. This pants is from Hip Hop Cargo. How much are you wearing, bro? Like 60K here on a bulb. You feel me? A bulb, bro. There's a fucking keyboard there. There's a remote, Nama cassette. Yeah. Nama cassette. You feel me? Guys, I almost forgot an important fact. So guys, Ntokozo is actually a good guy, man. Like Ntokozo is actually a nice guy, bro. Like he helps people, dog. Every time he gets a chance, you feel me, to assist someone, to make someone happy, bro. Like he's building rooms there for you feel me, for people who their houses burned, man. He's buying food for locals, bro. Like go and watch him, dog. Just search it in Ntokozo Cars, Facebook, YouTube, or wherever, bro. TikTok, you feel me? Just go there, man. So you feel me? This is an appreciation video, bro. Just go and support, dog. Buy the graduation gown, bro. Who knows how you might make it, bro. You feel me? Buy a gown, even though there's no, you feel me? There's no celebration. You know? Buy the gown, dog. Buy the gown and hang it there in your shack, bro. As a sign of luck, man. You feel me? Like this guy is really awesome. So yeah, put Ntokozo. Siyabonga bro wami ngithola. Siyabonga uThami. Feel me? This is just me appreciating you. You feel me?